Hello everyone, this is Preeti Garg and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we will be starting with exercise 11.2 for class 9th, right? Now before starting with the exercise, let me brief you about the previous video that I have uploaded. Previous to this, we have done the construction of angles and their bisectors, right? And now we will be starting with the construction of triangles, in which we are given the base angle, we are given the base, and also either we are given the sum of the other two sides or we are given the difference of other two sides, right? So here we start with question number 1. The question says, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 centimeters. BC is equals to 7 centimeters. Angle B is equals to 75 centimeter and AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeters. We have to construct a triangle ABC. We have to construct a triangle ABC, right? So now for such cases, whenever we are given the base angle and sum of two sides, what is the first step that we have to do is, first of all we have to make the base. In this case we are given the base as 7 centimeters. So we will be drawing the base of 7 centimeters and we will be giving it the name of B and C. This is the first step that we have to do. Now second is the base angle. Base angle, here it is given to us as 75 degrees. Now 75 degree, how can we make an angle of 75 degree? Either 75 degree can be made either by 90 minus 15 or 60 plus 15. In both the cases, we have to draw both the angles, 90 degree also and 60 degree also. So first of all, let us make an angle of 90 degree. 90 degree you all know how to make. And if there is any problem, you can switch on to my previous video. We open any radius and we draw the arc like this. With this point, one arc here. With this point, another arc here. Now, with these two arcs, make one more arc on the top and join this with point B. This will be your 90 degree angle. When we join this like this, this becomes 90 degree. And when we join this first arc with B, this is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Now see here carefully. This is 60 degree. This is 90 degree. And when we make the bisector of this angle, this point, then it will become 75 degree. राइट 60 डिग्री ये ना 60 और 90 के बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है 90 माइनस 60 डिफरेंस इज ऑफ 30 डिग्री मतलब दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 30 डिग्री जब आप इसको बाइसेक्टर कर देंगे दैट मीन्स इट विल ब्रेक इनटू 2 15 वन साइड 15 अनदर साइड दैट मीन्स either 90 minus 15 or 60 plus 15 means the same thing. So we will be making bisector of this angle. Bisector also I have told you how to make. Now keep your compass first on a 60 degree angle, then next on 90 degree angle like this. You'll get a point. You have to join those two points and this angle will be your, this angle is now 75 degree. This angle is 75 degree. We make this line as dotted line because now we don't need it. Right? This is your 75 degree angle. Now our two things are done. We have made our base BC 7 centimeters and we have made this, let it be BX. We can extend it to any length. Now what we have to do to this BX, the sum of two sides is given to us as 13 centimeters. So on this BX, we have to cut the line at 13 centimeter. Okay. So for this we have to measure 13 centimeters here. We have to measure 13 centimeters in our compass. So this is your 13 centimeters, right? Now keep your compass at B and cut this BX of 13 centimeters and name this point as D. Right? Name this point as D. Now the point that you have received, next step will be that you have to join DC. What will be the next step? That you have to join DC. Fine. Fine till here. Dekho, once again I am telling you what we have done. We have made the base 7 centimeters. Base पर हमने angle बना दिया 75 degree. Second step. Third step is whatever is the sum of other two sides, cut that much length on your angle. Then fourth step, you have to join CD. Right? Now what is the next step? In the next step, what we have to do is we have to make the perpendicular bisector of this line that you have joined CD. Now how to make perpendicular bisector? That also I have told in the previous video. But again I am telling you how to make perpendicular bisector. Suppose CD is the line, then we open more than half of the length of CD. जो भी लाइन हमारे पास है, हमें जिसका भी परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाना है, उसका जितना भी हाफ होता है उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा you have to take the radius. Say for example, I have taken this much radius, more than half, and then what? हमने किस लाइन का लिया है ये परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, किसका बनाना है हमें? CD का. तो हमें C पर रखना है. Once we have to keep it on C. And on both the sides we have to make an arc. C पर इधर से भी आर्क बना दिया और C पर हमने इधर से भी आर्क बना दिया, like this. ठीक है. Similarly we have to keep it on D and we have to cut this arc जो पहले बना है. ऐसे ही इधर से भी आर्क कट करना है D वाला, D पर रखकर. Right? अब थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखना है that this is the point that we have got. And this is the point that we have got. We join these 2 points. Arc बनाने से we have got 2 points, both the sides, 2 arc both the sides. We join the line and this is our perpendicular bisector of CD. Fine. Let it be YZ. YZ is the perpendicular bisector. Now this YZ is cutting your BD at some point. Name that point as A. This point, right? And then join AC. Then join AC. Now ABC is the required triangle. Required triangle, right? If you need to check that you have made it correct or not, you can check the dimensions. First of all, check this, that it is 7. Then you have to check whether this angle is 75 or not. Then just check this angle as 75 degree. Keep it here. Definitely this angle is see 80 और 70 के बीच में आ रहा है. That means it is 75 degrees. And then you have to check the sum of both the sides. That is AB or AC. AB ये रहा और AC ये रहा. See how much is your AB. AB is 5 and AC is 8. See. So 8 and 5 is 13. So that means AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. So this is how we can draw the triangle if we are given the base angle and the sum of 2 sides. I hope it is clear. Rough sketch again I am telling you how to do. See, what are the steps? Let us recall the steps that we have done. See, draw the base, then draw the base angle. अब base angle जैसे भी बनाना है, right? Base angle पर कट कर दीजिए जितना भी आपको sum given है. You have cut, then join this line like this. The line that you have joined, you have to make the perpendicular bisector of that line. It will cut somewhere at a point. Name that point as A and then join C. ABC will be your required triangle. I hope it is clear to you. Next we will be moving with the same thing, same steps, but only the difference is in that case we will be having, in place of sum of the sides, we will be having the difference of two sides, right? Okay.